So what I did here is, this shed is full of satellites and stuff. So with all the metal, I thought it would like maybe echo and sound really cool, which it did from my angle. I don't know if it did from the phone. But yeah, that was pretty cool. When I heard the sirens activate right after the first activation, I thought that was Franklin County again, but that was actually Dublin. So I guess they installed another siren around here. Ooh, I guess I gotta go find that. Or maybe they reconnected Homestead Park to Dublin. Never know. But yeah, that was pretty cool. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe. Yeah.